Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel WebToTech, and in today's video I'm gonna guide you through how to get new features on Instagram. So in order to get the latest features on Instagram, you would have to get newest version of Instagram on your mobile devices. In order to do so, open Google Play Store or App Store according to your mobile devices. I'm gonna launch Google Play Store. Once you come here, go ahead and tap on search at the bottom right corner. Go to the search bar and search for Instagram. Tap on Instagram application. Now over here, if you see the option of update instead of open, tap on it and make sure that your Instagram is updated to its latest version. Now, if you don't see the option of update, you can also reinstall your Instagram application by first uninstalling the app. If you get the latest version of the application, you would get latest features and your app issues will also be fixed. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.